Money Moves is sponsored by Delta Community Credit Union.
Well, spring is typically a busy season for both home and car buying, and this year the market is looking a bit more stable. Experts say mortgage rates have eased from the high 7% range seen in recent years and are now holding just above 6%, giving buyers a little more breathing room. With that stability, buyers aren't feeling as rushed and have more time to compare options and make decisions. There is still some uncertainty around inflation, jobs, and the economy, but the upside is less competition can mean more negotiating power for those ready to move. Home prices are still high, which is pushing some first-time buyers to look at options like adjustable rate mortgages and assistance programs through lenders and credit unions like Delta Community. Yesterday on 11 Alive Plus, Dan Kennedy spoke with Halter, CEO of Delta Community Credit Union, about other things people need to consider.
Do your homework, understand what you can afford, make sure you have a budget and where the home fits in the budget, but be optimistic and realistic about what you can afford. You know, getting that mortgage payment, that's clearly a critical piece of the decision, but I think you also need to make sure what's the maintenance going to be, what's insurance going to be. I also want to enjoy my home, so what kind of furniture and other things do I have to do? You need to work that into the equation as well.
All right, the same trends are showing up in the auto market. Prices for both new and used vehicles remain elevated, but demand is active as spring buying ramps up. Experts say preparation is key. Knowing your budget, checking your credit, and getting pre-approved can make a major difference at the dealership. Longer-term auto loans may lower monthly payments, but often lead to more interest paid over time and a higher risk of owing more than the car is worth. Bottom line, timing, the perfect market, that's kind of tough. Financial experts say the best approach is personal readiness, stable income, solid credit, manageable debt, and a realistic budget. For buyers prepared to move, spring can still be a strong opportunity. For more stories on easy ways to save your money, head on over to Money Move section of 11alive.com.